And today is 16th February, Friday. About noon. That's a bell pepper. And I got to thinking, well, why can't a man just cut up the bell pepper, grab the seeds, and plant them? And I checked the internet, so yeah, you can do that. So anyway, that center tray is where I just planted those fresh bell pepper seed, and I replanted all my empty cells on my tomatoes and such. Also replanted the store-bought bell pepper seed, and if they don't come up this time, it was a bad package of seed. And even though this is the dead of winter, you can see we got green grass down here. I just mowed that again. That's the 4th time since January. And the reason I did that, I needed to warm up my new to me Craftsman self-propelled mower for the oil change. And this is one of those never change oil engines. I don't believe in that. So I just tip it on the side and drain it out of the dipstick hole. And I'm running a full synthetic 10W30. It'll look brand new, but just change it every year. Don't worry about it. Installed new air cleaner, air filter, and pulled the spark plug and cleaned it. You can do that with a toothbrush size brass bristle wire brush, and then you can also check the gap again. And so yeah, staying a little busy, and I'll probably sling out some more of my 13 fertilizer on my little grass, try to kill the weeds back. And then about all this for now. I got a flashing low battery light, so it'll charge up and I'll do another video this afternoon. Thank you.